Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about Flexhead Ratchet from Gedore. Gedore is known for their robust tools in heavy duty industry. This is my first buy from Gedore. It's a half-inch Flexhead locking ratchet and it looks tough from the first impression. The ratchet is around 28 cm long. The finish is typical German style rough matte chrome finish. Look at Gedore logo, how heavy it is stamped. On the other side, part number and made in Germany stamped. I like if logo or text is stamped instead of laser etched. Laser etched text wear away with the time, but look at these stamps. Aggressive forged stamping. Gedore is renowned for their tough forging process. Shaft is flat and thin style, unlike other brands' ratchet, which are cylindrical shape. It is kind of unique style ratchet due to its locking flex style mechanism. The handle is two-component design, blue and black color combination. Black part is softer and blue is harder. Really nice grip in hands. It has hanger hole to hang the ratchet if you want to, but I tell you, it really fits nicer in hands. I like this style handle grip. Before looking into the flex head mechanism, I would like to mention about Gedore logo emblem on the back of the ratchet head. If you notice here, it's not glued well onto the center. This is my second ratchet. First ratchet had the same issue. I returned it back and Amazon sent me this one, and this has the same problem. I know it does not affect the functionality, but come on Gedore, you are better than that. Another thing about emblem, they fall off. It happened to one of my colleagues. Anyhow, moving on. Let's look at the locking flex mechanism. What unique about this mechanism is you can adjust the rigidness of flex mechanism according to your own need. It can be free of tension totally, or you can stiff the flex by turning the disc. Under the disc, it is spring loaded and the disc has nerves for non-slip. It is robust mechanism, I like it. I never seen such versatile mechanism in any other ratchets. It's a bit unique I would say. Only thing negative I would say is the locking positions are 5, but I think it is still more than enough. It's not really very fine tooth design. The teeth counts are 72, but it's smooth. It is a non-quick release design. On the back of the ratchet head, knurling disc is used to turn the direction. It is kind of flat and thin style ratchet and would be very handy in tight or narrow spaces. But it's not narrow in real. We will talk about it in a minute. Let's try some socket. At this moment, I don't have chrome socket, so I will try impact socket on it. Socket seated well into the anvil. Here you can see different ratchet from different brands with different flex head mechanism. This is Kamasa ratchet and it has push style button to lock the flex, but it cannot be unlocked and free flexing mechanism. It has to be locked and cannot be unlocked position due to its design. This Hazet ratchet has non-locking flex head mechanism. And here you can see the snap-on 3/8 ratchet is also quite unique locking design. Unlike other locking designs, this snap-on ratchet has locking mechanism on the shaft, which is not really smart in my opinion, cause it get into the way or get locked from unlocking position while working in tight areas when it comes into contact with some other part accidentally. but it does have several positions where you can lock it. Whereas Gedore has 5 positions only. These are small cons from Gedore ratchet, I would say. But I really like this flex mechanism of Gedore. You can lock it tighter or softly, or can be used in free flexing with adjustment options. Another thing about thickness of ratchet, Gedore claims it's a thin profile ratchet, but I realized that it has flat thin shaft, but the head is actually thicker than other ratchet, even if we count the direction lever from the other ratchet. I think due to direction disc on the back of the head and the anvil is protruding outward too. So I would say thin profile is just a gimmick, and even it looks thinner in first impression, but it is thick profile, I would say. Here I put a regular half-inch snap-on ratchet, and you can see Gedore ratchet head is thicker than the snap-on one also. But in this case, if we count snap-on direction lever, then the Gedore is a bit thinner. But definitely this ratchet is not thin profile. Anyhow, overall, I'm impressed with the first look for this ratchet. I'm sure it will serve in tough use, as Gedore are famous for their toughness. And it's nice looking ratchet, I like it. Okay guys, that's it with the review. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this unique ratchet. If you liked the video, consider to subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you could